In this video, I'm about to compare Zapier and Airtable. When comparing Airtable and Zapier, each tool offers distinctive advantages and disadvantages. The pros of Zapier include its wide range of integrations, supporting thousands of apps like Slack and Google Sheets. Users can create multi-step workflows known as Zaps and customize action with conditional logic. The platform's drag and drop interface is intuitive, simplified setup, and also supports team collaboration. The cons of Zapier are that advanced features require a paid subscription, which can be expensive for small businesses. New users might find it overwhelming for complex workflows, and some integrations may lack deep customization. The pros of Airtable include that its user-friendly interface supports various project management needs, making it versatile for team collaboration. Airtable automations are typically more responsive, providing near instantaneous trigger actions regardless of the plan you are on. The cons include that Airtable has improved its automation capabilities, but its integration are more restrictive compared to Zapier. Airtable has a limit of 25 steps per automations, which may be not sufficient for complex workflows. It works a free plan, a team plan. It offers a free plan, a team plan at $20 per month, a business plan at $45 per month, and enterprise at custom pricing. In my opinion, Airtable is ideal for organizing and managing data with a database-like features, while Zapier excels at automating tasks between apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.